Hey guys, how you all doing? Trust you guys are doing well. As you might have seen, I'm doing a screen recording. This is the first time I'm doing this. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is because a couple of people reach out to me through email, um, advising me or encouraging me to do um, video or content on how people can apply to the school, not just showing the video of the school environment. So I decided to take on the challenge, which is is really good, and I feel that it's a really way to guide people on how to apply to some of the school. And I want to say shout out to people who send me a mail about this. I want to say thank you for encouraging me to do this. As you guys can see, this is University of Nevada. That is what we are going to be talking about today. The process and how you can apply for undergrad school. I was there a couple of days back, and I must tell you, this school is really big. And I'm talking from my own experience. I've visited different schools lately, and I must say this is really big. When I mean it's big, it's big. And some of the things that stood out for me is not just how big the campus is, but how conducive the environment is for students, for the employee who works there. I was opportune to speak to some people off camera and on camera, and it really gave me an insight about the school. I'll be putting a video out about some of my experience there in the coming weeks. But for now, I feel that I want to do this particular content to tell you guys on how to apply, because that is the first step. Me being an international student, I know what it is to school in a foreign country. I've been there and I know what it is. Why in Nevada, I try as much as possible to get information about scholarship that I feel that is going to be of great importance to many international students that want to consider this school. One of it is that the school offer different range of scholarship from $1,000 to $12,000 for new international students. So if you are applying to this school, if you're able to get admission, you'll be considered for scholarship from the range of $1,000 to $12,000. Just imagine what that can really do for every international student. And I want to say kudos to the school, for considering international students for that kind of initiative. Thank you. And another scholarship is the General University Scholarship that ranges from 500 to 8,000 per year, which is also really good. I want to say this quickly. The school is also known for a research-based institute. I know a friend of mine in Canada that got a fully funded scholarship for a research base. So if you are a potential research-based student, you might want to consider this school. You might want to start looking at various departments you can apply to, write to the professor, and see if you can get a fully funded scholarship. One of these days I'll be bringing my friend that got a fully funded scholarship in Canada to this channel to talk to you guys on how to go about it. To the business of today. But before I move to the business of today, I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to this channel, everyone that has been a motivating factor to keep pushing me, to bring out more content on this channel for you guys. I want to say thank you. If you are new to this channel, you are not late at all. In fact, the journey, is just starting. And I want to encourage you to, subscribe to the channel and, just be on the lookout for different content that will be coming on this channel. So to the business of today on how to apply to University of Nevada, Reno. So hey guys, this is the school website, www.unr.edu. I'll also be putting the link of the school on this video. It's going to be on the description box. You can click on it and it's going to take you straight to the website. And I'll also be putting the link of the International Admission Office. If you have any question, you can always reach out to them. One of the guy there is Michael Olawale. Is really a good guy. You can talk to him. And other people there are also great people. When I was there, they were really helpful in me getting all the necessary information that I need. So on this page, we'll be looking at the degree program and also the graduate admission. So let's look at the program that the school offer. So this is the bachelor degree program. And if you also need any information, you can request for information. Like you can see here, we got more than 145 undergrad program. That's really great. So as you can see, this is accounting, this is agricultural science, this is chemical engineering, this is civil engineering, this is criminal justice. I'll just scroll down. This is economics, this is English, this is also forest management and ecology. I know a lot of people that can really do this. Or this is also international, affair. This is management. This is marketing. Just to show you guys, what's some of the courses that the school, offer. This is public health. This is political science. So, and that's it. I'm sure, there are a lot that, is not on this page. If you want to apply to anyone, I'll just, click on one and see. Let me click on international business. So you can see what is here. International business is an undergraduate program, designed for those individuals who intend to prepare themselves. So it's just going to give you like a little information about the course. And Bachelor of Science in International Business. You can also request for information about the the course. You can also speak to academic advising for international business students. If you really need an information about the course, or if you need information about the major before you apply, you can do that. I'll click on that to see. This is the College of Business, so this is it. So if you are in the school, if you are within the school environment and you want to schedule to speak to someone, you can do that. If you want a great appointment, you can do that through Zoom. And if you also need advice, through online, you can request that. They said it's going to take 1 to 3 business days. But let's just go back. Our main purpose today is to see how you can apply to the school. But if you do need additional information before applying, you can go through one of those medium. I'll click on apply. So One thing I like about you know school overseas is that you can do transfer. For example, if you have OND in Nigeria, or OND, which is national diploma, you can use that as a transfer, and they are going to put into consideration some of the credit hours you already have. So instead of starting from the beginning, you can actually start um, maybe from maybe 200 level, as people call it back home or back in Africa. This is also, if you want to start from the beginning, international students, I'm going to click on that. So this is where it's going to take you to. You can see submitting your application in 10 minutes. You can do that in 10 minutes. Create your registration account, select your application type, if it's new freshman, if it's transfer student, provide your personal information, e.g. your address, provide your emergency contact, provide your academic, history, maybe the high school you've attended, the colleges you've attended in Nigeria. Select a major, interest of study. That is what you want to study, your major. Provide an electronic, signature that yes, you're done. Then verify information and submit your application field, which I think is $50. I'm not sure, but you can check that out. And this is the process. This is the number one thing you have to do as an international student that wants to apply. This is the first step. After filling this out, you click on continue, and it's going to take you to another page that you can use whatever password that you want, but they are going to send a link to your email address. With that link, then you can choose whatever password you want. So I'd like to go back now because I want this video to also include the grad school, the grad program. So you click on that. Then I'm going to scroll down now. So you can see the request for GMAS. Although for the GR and GMAS, you might want to look at the requirement of your course and see if you really need that, but I'm just going to scroll down now to also see all major that they have for grad school. This is accountancy, this is business administration, in PhD. This is economics, this is economics, PhD. And one thing I've noticed recently is that in fact, you don't need to have master's before you even apply to PhD in US. It depends on how your GPA is. For your undergrads, you can also be admitted to PhD directly, which in most cases you get more scholarship in PhD than master's program. So you can see, guys, education, elementary, elementary education. This is also education, human and development, family, science, and all the majors under masters and PhD. Geophysics in masters, geophysics in PhD. This is it. So I'll just click on one of them to see how you can apply to them. I'll click on mathematics. You can see for every department or every major, there is for every major, the program director is there. You can always reach them on their email address. The good thing about this particular one is that the application deadline for fall is actually March 1st, which is really good. You can apply to so for example, for this now, requirement waive if applying for the spring or fall of 2022 admission. So if you're applying for August now, which is fall, they can actually waive the GR for you. I'll try and see If there's any other one that has, the waiver, let's look at journalism. Okay, we don't have enough information for that here, but the deadline is March 15. But you can reach out to this person and know if you need a GR or not. Let me click on this first. So this is it here. You start your application here by signing up, and put your, let's see, let me click on sign up. So this is it. Just put your information here, and they are going to send a link to your email address that you can generate your password from there. So guys, this is the information I have for you guys. You don't need extra skill to actually do this. As long as you are computer literate, you can do this yourself. It's also help you to have idea how these things work. I'm going to click on these phases and see. Let's see. Okay, the deadline for that is already passed, which is February 1. But you can still reach out to Paul, which is the program director, and see if you can still apply. Political science. So GRE or GMAS requirement waive for those applying to spring or fall. So if you're applying for fall of this 2022, you rest assured that you don't need any of these. Although the application deadline is already passed, which is January 15. So guys, this is the information I have for you today. I hope this is really helpful for someone. Like I said, in the nearest days to come, I'll be putting out clip of my tour of the school and some of the students I spoke to about the school. I hope this information is really helpful for someone. I'll be putting the link of the international admission office on this video. You can reach out to them, talk to them. There are people who are really passionate about international students and they really want to help. So reach out to them and they are going to help you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I want to appreciate you guys for watching this video up to now, and share the video. Let me know what you guys think about the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys should take care. Bye for now.